Hey, welcome back to another speed run with me, Mr. Denton. I've set a 10-minute timer. Just set it there. Okay, see how many we can do. Let's call an integer a palindrome if it remains the same after reading it digits from right to left. Okay, so it's the same digits in any order. Okay, given it 4 integer, print yes, print no, otherwise. So if the first number and the last number and the second number and the third number are the same, then it's a palindrome. Okay, so actually, I'm going to cheat. When we input things, they're input as strings, and strings are characters. So if I print a open brackets 0, that should give me the first character, right? And I can do this for all of them, yeah, because there's 4 characters, just like an array. Okay, we can index each individual character using its index, remembering that index start at 0. If I run that, I'll type in a number, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. It splits it out. So what I can do then is I can set it. I can just set an if statement, a simple if statement that says if a0 equals a3 and a1 equals a2, and it's a palindrome. Yeah, then we can print yes. Okay. I mean, another way to do it would be to treat it as an integer, and do the division and mod and all the rest of it to separate out the 4 different individual characters. But using a string, we can do that. So 1, 3, 3, 4, 1, 3, 3, 1. Yes. Okay. Submit that. Whoa. Okay. That's interesting. Should be not. Yes and no. I wrote not. What a doof. Okay. So I'm going to copy that. Speed run, cheating. No. Okay, so they're all if-else statements. So I'm going to assume that the if-else kind of shape is going to remain the same. So given 3 integers, print the least of them, so the smallest. Okay, so given A, B, and C, right? So given A, B, and C, print whichever is the smallest. A, B, and C. So one of them is going to be the smallest, right? So there's only 3 of them. So if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then A is the largest, right? A is greater than B and A is greater than C. Yeah, then A is the largest over the smallest. Smallest, not largest. Did that last time. Okay. A. Otherwise, B. So L if it's B, so B is smaller than A, and B is smaller than C, then it's going to be B. It has to be one of them, so it's either A, B, or C. So if it's not A, it's not B, it's C. Nice. Ooh. Tricky. It's tricky. Given a month, an integer from 1 to 12, print the number of days in it in the year 2017. Oh man, I've already done it. Okay, I haven't already done it. It's something like so. 2017 is not a leap year. Okay. Days. Oh no, days in month. Okay. Okay, I had to do a little bit. Had to do some googling for this one because I never remember the rhyme. There's a rhyme, but I never remember it. So okay, so days that have 31 are January, March. Okay, so actually we don't need to care about 31, right? So yeah, so either it's one of the months that has 31, in which case we just set days to 31 and we print it, or if the month is February, yeah, then February's got 28 days, or the months that have 30 days are April, June, and November. Okay, January, February, March, April. So 4, April, June, January, February, March, April, May, June. So 4 or 6 or November. Is that right? Oh God, September, April, June, and November. Okay, that's confused me. Okay, April. Oh my God. I've got to copy and paste. Can't do two things at once. September, April, June, and November. So that's April. That's September. June, January, February, March, April, May, June. June is 6. Or November, December. So November is 11, right? Yeah. Either it's February, in which case it's 28 days, or it's September, April, June, and November, in which case that's 30 days, or it's just 31, because that's what else? That's the other one that it could possibly be. Ba-ba! That's the trickiest one yet. Don't remember the days. Okay, given 3 integers, determine how many of them are equal to each other. The program must print one of the numbers. 3 if they're all the same, 2 if the 2 of them, or 0 if they're all different. Okay. It's straightforward, I think. But there might be other ways of doing these. If A equals B and A is not equal to C, and 2. Yeah. LF. And then we could have done this the other way around, I suppose. So they're all equal. Okay. Do that right. No, boo. Ah. So maybe C is equal. Wait a minute. A is equal to B and A is not equal to C. Maybe B and C are equal to each other. Yeah. Didn't think of that. Overlooked it. B is equal to C. B is equal to C and A is not equal to C. Is that going to be enough? Maybe, maybe not. I feel like there might be another condition. So A is equal to C, but A is not equal to B. Of course, there's 3 different options. What do I do? Whoa! Okay, that was my timer. Just gonna finish off this one. So A is equal to C, A is not equal to B. Right, 3 different options. Blimey. Oh, that seemed obvious and ended up being a little bit trickier than I thought. Right, anyway, that was my 10-minute speed run. I think I managed to do a few, but I hope you enjoyed it and join you for the next one.